Hello, family! Samahan niyo ako ngayon dahil busy tayo sa pagpre-prepare ng second birthday ni Aliyah. At alam niyo naman, dito sa UK, wala tayong kasama, tayo lang. Talagang tayo ang gagawa ng lahat at wala tayong katulong dito. Kaya halina kayo, sumama na kayo nang makita niyo kung paano ako mag-prepare for Aliyah's second birthday in the UK. Good morning! Another day with Aliyah. Hi, Aliyah. So, today is Sunday, guys. Time check 9:20. Aliyah, yes. Aliyah, yes. You're giving them some cereals? Yeah? Okay.
It's fish.
Yeah, fish. It's a fish. Yes, it is shaped like a fish. Yes, guys. Yeah? She said fish. Thank you, baby. The guy said, thank you.
It's fish.
Hoops. Yes. Cheers. She said cheers. 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 I'll eat this for them, yeah? Cheers. Cheers. Here. Here. There. Cheers. Cheers, Mama. Cheers. Yummy.
Yes.
Yes, yummy. Say yummy. Yummy. So today guys, 9:30 na, nakabihis na ako. Si Aliyah, nire-ready ko na din. Oh, more. Yes, good job. Well done for drinking, baby. Yan. So, today, we're going to have a DIY photo shoot for Aliyah. So, DIY photo shoot for her second birthday. Yes. So, gagawin na lang namin ni Daddy, magdi-DIY kami. Pupunta kami sa park and we are going to do it ourselves. Photo shoot, guys. So, what would I say? We are bringing our props with us. So, medyo hectic. We'll bringing her toy car. I will bring her yung rocking toy na gumaganon-ganon for backdrop. And then, ano pa ba? Bibili kami ng balloons ng 2. And then, parang picnic ba? Tapos meron ako ditong mga hat. Then magdadala rin ako ng mga friends niya na soft toys niya. And then siguro bibili ako ng cake and flowers. Ayun. So may mga props na tayo, ire-ready ko na para hindi na natin problemahin mamaya. So si Daddy Andy ay nasa taas, nagre-ready na. So, ready na ako, actually. Are going to have a picnic theme and then a car theme na photoshoot for Aliyah. Ayan. So, kunin ko tong bag na to, no? Lagyan ko ng flowers. Ayan. Pang props lang. Tingnan natin. Para aesthetic ba? Aesthetic. Ayan. So, i-ready ko lang yung mga gamit, guys. And then, we're all good to go. So, sasama namin kayo. So, hopefully, maka-video ako doon. Kasi ako ang photographer. Ako din ang, ang tawag dito? Photographer and decorator. So, good luck sa akin. And director din. Naisip namin na gawin to for Aliyah. Because, lumalaki siya and I want to capture those moments. Yun lang. As a mom, I wanna do it for my child. So, when she's growing up, she would look at those photos and hopefully she will appreciate it. And she would say, oh, thank you for doing that. Hopefully. And para din sa akin, as a mom, you want to do stuff like that for your child. you put effort. I mean, and then show the love. Yun lang. By doing this, tapos share ko din sa ibang tao, like here in my vlog, my family who are away or who are living in Philippines, ganon, my friends who haven't seen for a long, long time or away from us. So, it's always good to, share it because we live in a digital world. People do this nowadays and for a reason. Me, personally, as a mom, my reason is to capture that moment of my child that she's two and sharing it to the people who I know that would appreciate and think like, oh, that's amazing, and yeah. So yun lang.
Tapos na ang ating photoshoot dito sa park. And as you can see, ako ay nagliligpit na ng aming mga props. Ayan. So, i-share ko dito yung final outcome ng ating photoshoot or video shooting for Aliyah's second birthday. Alam nyo, I decided to do DIY because no first birthday ni Aliyah, ay talagang nagpa-photoshoot kami sa studio, ayan. So, siyempre as we, evolve, hindi naman lagi na may photoshoot every year ano, dahil, magastos 'yun, to be honest, and ayaw natin na masanay si Aliyah sa gano'ng lifestyle. And, gusto ko na kahit simple lang, pero at least may effort. 'Yun yung gusto kong iparating na we did this for Aliyah dahil gusto ko na ma-capture yung age niyang 'to, yung 2 years old siya. Kasi there will be just a year of 2 years old. And gusto ko na ma-capture yung physical feature niya ngayon, kung paano siya mag-react and everything. And alam niyo in many, many years to come, yun yung gusto kong babalik-balikan. Siguro, it sounds selfish, pero alam niyo guys na para din sa akin 'to bilang isang ina, as a mom, you want those memories and you want to preserve this year. And it means so much to me. Kaya ko 'to ginagawa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
So, andito tayo sa kotse. Paalis tayo ngayon. We are going to the city. So, pupunta tayo sa Costco. Dahil mag-food shopping ako for Aliyah's second birthday. Ayan. So, bali ako lang kasi mamaya si Aliyah ay may swimming lesson. And then, meron din siyang birthday party na a-attendan. Birthday nung friend niya doon sa nursery. So, in-invite nila siya. So, mag-a-attend siya ng birthday party. So, sabi ko kay Andy, I think we should, go on our separate ways and then punta kayo sa swimming lesson and party. Ako pupunta sa Costco. Kasi wala na tayong time to buy. Kasi bukas na guys yung party ng anak ko. Sa bahay lang naman. We're not doing in a venue. Sa bahay lang. Kaya, pero nag-invite kami ng 22 people. Ayan. So, tara na. Isasama ko kayo. So, tara sa Costco, guys! Costco. Maglagay na tayo ng mga food sa car. Saan naman kayo, ha? Saan hindi kayo matutulog? Ay! Papadastos na naman tayo. Napis. Tapos na tayo dito sa Costco, guys. Mainit. Time check, 12:30. So, hindi ko nabili lahat ng kailangan kong bilhin. Kaya magte-test ko ulit tayo. Wala sila nung cut cheese. Ano pa ba? Sandwich filler, wala din sila nun. Flowers, bibili na ako ng bulaklak ngayon. Kasi magde-decorate ako mamayang gabi. Ayan. So, halika na. Mag-test ko tayo ulit. Uwi na tayo. Uwi na tayo dito sa bahay, guys, no? So, basically, naglalabas na ako ng mga pinamili natin sa Costco. At saka sa Tesco din. So, ito yung binili ko sa Costco. Itong donut bites, 30 pieces. Nilagay ko na sa fridge yung iba, sorry. Gagawa din ako ng sandwich, croissant sandwich. Meron akong ham, cheese, tuna filler, and chicken and bacon. So, bali yung party ni Aliyah is hapon. So, merienda, basically. So, ito, nirap ko na ng cling film para hindi siya tumigas. Ayan. Ito yung pastries. Hindi nilang macaroons. Ito ay 48 macaroons. Iba-ibang color. Ang cute. Ayan o. So, it's really cute. 10 pounds ata to. So, it's really nice. I like it. Because of the color ba. Ibang fruits din tayo, guys. So, meron tayo dito raspberry, cherry. Ayan. So, hopefully they like the cherry. Meron tayo dito grapes and strawberry. Ayan. Meron din tayong melon tsaka watermelon. Ayan. Melon and watermelon. So, maraming tayong fruits. Okay. And then, this is our ham. Ilang slice to? So, ito yung ilalagay ko sa croissant. 32 slices. Nagpunta rin pala ako sa, sa Tesco kasi wala akong nakitang cheese doon sa Costco, guys. Pang charcuterie board. Meron din tayong cone. Meron tayong crackers. Yung table. Ayan. Naset ko na yan kagabi. So, bale, maglagay-lagay na lang tayo ng mga food dyan. Tapos, may kukunin din pala tayong food sa Marks and Spencer's. Tsaka, dun din namin binili yung cake ni Aliyah. Ayan. I-design ko pa. Ang dami kong gagawin bukas. Oh my God. Gigising akong maaga, guys. Inisip ko, dito yung mga savory. Tapos, dito yung ating dessert. Dyan. Sa ating kitchen. Counter. Ayun. So, ang gagawin ko, meron pa pala. I forgot. So, ito guys, yung ating Doritos. And, meron tayong crackers. Prawn crackers. Yan. So, ito yung pang pika-pika bukas. So, saan ko lalagay? Wala na akong space. Gagawin ko, maglalagay ako ng box. Doon ko lahat sila ilalagay yung mga dried goods. Para mabilis lang kunin na ganun once it's all set up. Para ganun na lang. So, magluluto ako ng lumpia, chicken wings, tsaka pansit bukas. Tsaka yung, oh my God, paano ko kaya gagawin lahat? Ako lang guys, as in, ako lang, wala akong makakasama or makakatulong. Walang tutulong sa akin. But, I'm set to do this. Okay. Alam nyo, inisip ko kanina habang nagda-drive ako pauwi. Sabi ko, you know, I'm very blessed to have Aliyah as my daughter. And God has blessed me with a child. And for me, that alone is worth celebrating. No matter how challenging it is, I try my best to give the best that I can give for her birthday. Ayan guys, so yung sinasabi ko is kahit na hindi maaalala ni Aliyah itong party niyang ito, even though she won't remember it, she won't perhaps not gonna even store in her memory. I want her to know that on her second birthday, mommy and daddy put an effort to celebrate her life for her second year in this world. And this preparations, effort, and love that we give, and we invited our families, our closest friends to join us to celebrate her tomorrow is something that is how would I say, something that's meant special and close to our heart. So para sa akin, it's all worth it and it's always nice to celebrate. And it's just a way of thanking the Lord as well that we've gone through a lot, challenges, mga pagsubok, and still I haven't slept. Pero kasama yan sa pagiging parent, 'di ba? And it's always part of the challenge. I would say is, well, everything that we do here, everything we prepare is for Aliyah. And Aliyah, I want you to know that mommy and daddy is doing this for you. And hopefully in the future, when you understand things, you will see this video and you would appreciate it. Okay? We love you, darling. And I hope you will have a fantastic day tomorrow because it's going to be a beautiful day outside. The sun will come out. It will be shining. It will be hot. We will be serving food, ice cream, and goodies and drinks. And yeah, it's going to be a celebration for you. Thank you.